What's up, good people? What's going on? My name is Daniel Webo, and thank you very much for being in my channel. So today we're going to discuss about how to improve your browsing experience by using Chrome extensions. Like and also comment on the comment section in case you have any question that you would like to raise. I'll be more than happy to respond. What are Chrome extensions? Chrome extensions are programs that can be installed in Chrome in order to change the browser's functionality and improve the browsing experience. These are just softwares that enhance taste to whatever site you're browsing, or they just help improve the browsing experience in your computer. And the good thing about Chrome extensions, they come in a variety. They are categorized according to whichever site that you're using. For example, they are categorized according to accessibility, according to blogging, developer tools, according to fun, how fun it is, according to news and weather, according to sports, according to production or productivity, according to search tool, according to shopping, social communication, sports. So in short, there are so many add-on softwares, add-on small softwares in your Chrome browsers that are meant to improve your browsing experience. And for you to be able to enjoy this, first of all, if you haven't installed your Chrome browser in your machine, go to the Google search engine, type Google Chrome and then download for those who haven't downloaded. But for those who have downloaded, once your Chrome browser is on, first and foremost, I would ask you to go to the dialog box on your screen. There are three dots on your top right corner. Just click on it. When you click on it, there's a drop down menu that comes or that pops up. So scroll down to settings, click on settings, and when you click on settings, you'll see another dialog box on your left. Under settings, you'll see there's another drop down list. So on the drop down list, just click on extension, which is the second bottom on the list. So when you click on it, what happens, another dialog box pops up on your screen. Generally, the dialog box that comes shows all the extensions that you have installed on your machine. Like for instance, me, I've installed Google Docs Online, I've installed Remembery. Remembery is a software that is used to translate different languages. There's also TubeBuddy. Personally, I like using TubeBuddy because it gives me a lot of details when it comes to videos on YouTube. It gives me a lot of information that are very relevant to my channel and also different channels, of course. There's also vidIQ. Whatever I've just installed is just a sneak peek to what these programs can do to your Chrome browsing experience. The first thing you need to do is to go to your top left, click on extension, then scroll all the way down. When you scroll all the way down, let me just minimize this. When you scroll all the way down, you will see Open Web Store. So just click on it. When you click on it, another dialog box pops up, and then you are redirected to a Chrome Web Store. Get here. You'll notice that there's a search option at the top of the screen that allows you to search whichever extension that you want. And then on the left, of course, there is also the recommended for you. We have different and so many softwares that are recommended for you. We have different games here, as you can see. So depending on what you want and depending on which part of your computer or what you would like to enhance in your browsing experience, install all these. So first of all, you're going to see how you can install just by looking at the list. For example, just by scrolling, I've been able to note there are some softwares that I might be interested in. A good example is let's go to speed test here. Speed test is used for testing internet speed, so I can add it to Chrome. And what happens when you select whichever software you want, it just takes a few minutes or a few seconds to install, and then eventually you get a notification on your right, just like you can see. The speed test by Ookla has been added to your Chrome. use this extension by clicking on this icon to manage your extension. Yeah, there we are. So when you click go, it's supposed to scan and see. It's supposed to scan and also check your up and down speed. So this is my point. It's, instead of opening different tabs and browsing and searching and typing and looking for different pages that can help you look for speed test, the good thing about this extension, it just helps you within a click of a button, that upper top left part of the dialog screen, just next to your login details or next to your account details. You can easily just open the speed test and just check whichever so that is one way of looking at it. Alternatively, you can come here and you can search for example, if you're into typing and you like to keep your work neat, you could come here and type Grammarly. Grammarly is spelling checker that is very commonly used with writers and publishers. So when you open it, go to add to Chrome. So you add the extension to Chrome, and when you add it to Chrome, you can even scroll down and check the overview. There are different options here. You can see the ratings when it comes to star. We have a 4.6 out of 5 rating. So this is software that is normally used by so many people. So generally, when you scroll down, it just shows the overview of how the software works, and then it gives you other related softwares down below which you can use. For example, Grammar Checker, Pro Writing Aider, Quill Port. All these softwares can be used for grammar check. So the good thing is you allow it to install. You go back. If you want to download videos on YouTube, you just come here and click and just type YouTube downloader. So on YouTube, when you type YouTube downloader, just click enter or search button. You get a notification indicating that the add-on has already been installed. Like for example, Grammarly, like right now, when I come here to this icon, there's this icon next to the account, the user account tab where on your top right. Just go next to it. There is the extension. When you click on extension, it shows you the extensions that you have installed. So you need to also agree, sign up.